UPI 3.0 is here. What if your fridge could pay for groceries on its own? Or your TV could auto-renew your Netflix? India's UPI is entering a whole new world, and your smart devices are the gateway. NPCI is building the Internet of Things rails for UPI. That means smart cars, washing machines, and TVs will soon handle payments automatically. All under user-defined limits and one-time approvals. This is UPI for IoT, and it's coming faster than you think. It works like this. Small diamond device gets its own UPI ID. Small diamond linked to your account with auto pay. A small diamond pays for subscriptions, bills, fuel, you name it. No more reminders, no more OTPs. UPI is going 10x bigger, from 100 billion to 1 trillion annual transactions. Smart device payments are key to this leap, and 2025 is the launchpad year. So next time your car fuels itself or fridge buys milk, thank UPI's smart upgrade. India's digital payment game just got an AI-powered sidekick. Follow @stocks_markets_economy for more fintech insights.